Timothy Jerome Houston FCPA MLA is a Canadian politician who is the premier-designate of Nova Scotia. He was first elected to the Nova Scotia House of Assembly in the 2013 provincial election. A member of the Progressive Conservative Party of Nova Scotia, he represents the electoral district of Pictou East. Houston serves as the leader of the opposition. He and the Progressive Conservative Party won a majority government in the 2021 Nova Scotia general election, becoming the first Progressive Conservative premier since 2009. Born in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Houston lived in different places around the world as his father was in the military. His family eventually resettled in Halifax and Houston attended Halifax West High School. Houston attended St. Mary's University, graduating in 1992 with a Bachelor of Commerce. He then moved to Bermuda, working there as a consultant from 1995 to 2007. Houston then worked as a chartered accountant and as a financial consultant with Deloitte. On November 2, 2020, he was awarded the profession's highest mark of distinction, the Fellow designation, by Chartered Professional Accountants of Nova Scotia. On November 27, 2012, Houston won the Progressive Conservative nomination in the riding of Pictou East for the 2013 Nova Scotia general election. He was elected MLA of Pictou East on October 8, 2013, with 48.08% of the vote. Houston was re-elected on May 30, 2017 with 73.88% of the vote. On November 19, 2017, Houston announced his candidacy for the leadership of the Progressive Conservative Party of Nova Scotia. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.